Hi, I'm Habiba from Craftify My Love, and today I will show you how to crochet a heart. I'll be linking to the written pattern and to two little tutorials you can do with this crocheted heart in the info section below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. First, start off with 4 chain stitches. Do 3 treble crochets in the first chain. That is going to be the center of your heart, and we'll be working around it in a circle. That was the first treble crochet. Do another treble into the center, which is the first chain you made. And a third one. Continue with 3 double crochets into the same stitch. That is the first. Continue with the second double crochet. And the last one. Now chain 1. Do 1 treble crochet. Chain 1. This is going to be the point of the heart. Now continue with 3 double crochet, again in the center of the heart. Can you see the shape coming towards the heart shape? Now it's time to do 3 trebles. That's the first. The second treble crochet and the third treble crochet. Pay attention to not weave in the little tail. It can be bulky. Almost done. Now chain 3. And make a slip stitch into the center of the heart. Now, for fastening off, you need to know if you will be needing a long tail for the future project you want to do with a crocheted heart. So, depending on that, decide where to cut your yarn. Now fasten off, and after that weave in your ends. You should continue watching this video to see 2 inspiring projects you can do with this heart. One is a lovely floral mixed media greeting card, and a string art that is crocheting inspired. As always, if you like my video, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon!